Hello students. I am Jenny. We are going to look into all the steps needed for setting up your computer for web designing. I will guide you from the beginning. So let's get started. When setting up the computer, there are many options to try out. But as beginners, I am going to suggest the easiest and industry-ready professional tools, so it will be very easy for you to follow. Not only that, but also, having a proper development setup is important because it speed up your web designing process. You can quickly design beautiful web pages with these tools. These tools can support your web designing process also. If there are errors in your code, these tools can identify them automatically and highlight them, so you can easily fix them. Source code management and automated build process are other advantages that you can get from these tools. That means, simply, you can maintain your code easily and even you can work as a team. You can develop websites together with other developers. Interestingly, you can set up to publish your website automatically to web servers directly from your code editor tool as well. Sounds great? You will learn about these in the next videos. If you do not have a computer, but using a mobile phone to follow this course, you can use an online code editor like CodePen. You can visit www.codepen.io website and use it.